So guys, for once a new project is underway here in Benidorm, involving the lights down here on the Levante beach. I'll quickly head on over, try show you what it's going to look like eventually. The plan is, or the lights are going to change colour. Apparently, I say apparently because they have actually already tried to start doing this sort of thing, method, project type thing, and it's one of them things where it works and it doesn't work. Like, some of the lights work, some of them don't work. Some of them change colour, where some of them just stay on one certain colour. So yeah, kind of a bit like Blackpool illuminations, ain't it? Maybe that's what Benidorm's wanting to do. Benidorm illuminations. Don't have the same ring to it, does it? Really doesn't have the same ring to it. But yeah, eventually all these posts will be completely connected by these so-called colour changing lights, which, from what I remember, is supposedly maybe either stage 1 or stage 3 of the new sort of revamp of the Levante Seafront. I mean, there were plans to redo all these tiles down here. The original plan was to do the tiles up like they've gotten down on Levante Seafront, but of course plans change, and of course sadly the new rumours coming out are the tiles are getting scrapped and they're going to use the same material they use on Benidorm Square, which if you've seen the square lately, not the best material, is it? Gets dirty quickly, but I mean, I guess if you do end up falling on it after a few too many pints of dark fruits or whatever it is you drink, it probably won't hurt as much. Well, at least I think so anyway. Can't really guarantee that, but hey ho. Anyway, tons of beautiful bars down the Levante Seafront. Like literally loads. Got the beautiful Casa Alamina and of course Los Anchos. So yeah, if you are feeling a bit peckish after your day at the beach, like, not really far to walk, is it? Literally like from there to there. Easy. Even if you want a drink or something as well, like plenty of bars to go or little supermarkets. Ooh. Beautiful day, guys, beautiful day. Beach is looking a bit quiet though, because probably like due to time we're out, maybe. I will say as well, as it nears December, you will slowly notice that a few of your trips are sort of starting to stop, i.e. your water sports. I think the first one that stopped were the cable ski. That was stopped like about mid-November. Well, yeah, not mid-November, beginning of November. And don't know why either. Surely can't be that cold in the sea, can it? Of course, have these shops as well down here. Random clothes shops, Valentino's. And funnily enough, I've done 2 vids down here today and not seen any of the cons. I'm rather surprised at that actually. Is it because that season's almost over, they've decided to pack away for the year? Yeah, I doubt it. But I haven't seen any of them out today. That of course being both the potato pecan and the fake cocktail con. Surprised the potato pecan and cocktail con weren't out for fancy dress day as well actually. I could have got a lot easily money. I mean, cocktail con, like, people can't get into bars, see someone with a tray full of cocktails, they aren't gonna think twice harder. Especially when they've probably had a few other beverages, as you do. Probably, I mean, I know we had a lot of drinks on fancy dress. And got Cayman Beach there and Beach Benidorm. Or as I like to call it, the bar with multiple names, because, yeah, it is the bar with multiple names. Tiki Beach, Kai Beach, Beach Benidorm, Benidorm Beach, as I seen it called the other day. Up there, that's it.
Go on then.
Yeah, I was just waiting for you. Anyway, still a good bar though. Not as busy since last Sunday. Of course, with all the new warnings saying you can't have chairs at the front of a bar on a street. Yeah, it has kind of decreased business in there, but I still get by, guys. I still get by.
TikTok.
Hola. Got Miller's Beach there, preparing for the winter. Right, bar guys, if you're in Benidorm, pop in and say hi. We'll say as well, the best place to go if you got a birthday in Benidorm. Apparently, from what I've heard, they do look after you pretty well, so I think you know what I'm gonna say next, don't you? Where is she? 25th birthday at Miller's Bar? Sue?
We'll see.
We'll see. Or you get out of there. We'll see. Not, oh yes, Marcus, anything you want, Marcus. No, we'll see. Still, suppose it's not like No way, Jose. Anyway, up there you do have the brilliant Calle Lepanto with the best pie shop in Benidorm, Florida Pasteleria. Anyway, I'm heading this way past Malta Pasta, Cafe India there as well. We've yet to try that actually. I'm gonna... No, it is open, but we're always either busy or skint. Try, have a look at the prices. Not too bad actually. Of course, your menu del dia, menu of the day, €15.95. You do see a lot of these Indians doing something like that, and menu del dia, menu of the day, where it'll be like you get poppadoms, then a starter, then a curry, then a side of like rice or naan or chips you want, or like whatever. Then you get a drink and dessert.
No drink included and no dessert.
In that one?
Yeah.
Wow, no drinks included and no dessert. Four chucks looking a bit dead. Wonder why they look so dead as well. Is it because of all the chaos they had with everything? Yeah, the 50 cents point that never actually existed. Oh, so at it, so did exist, but no one actually really knew when it were on. Like, no one. Not even the staff or manager, but yeah, enough said about that. Oh, not gonna say it else, I just don't think I will ever go in there. Even though I have been asked to go in there again. I think it was that DJ Costa Blanca wanted me to go in there again, funnily enough. Anyway, moving on. Anyway guys, enough said. Bars now busy-ish. I mean, of course, Frank's weren't too busy because he's gone on a well-deserved holiday. Wish I could go on holiday and that stuff that's been going on lately. But yeah, anyhow, hit the like, hit subscribe. Stay tuned for more Benidorm vids. Hopefully the next one I won't moan. Fingers crossed. Adios.